Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program sponsored by Delta.Exchange. First, let us look at what happened last week. The global markets were very jittery, but we were also very jittery. But the Canara Bank result came and they declared a profit growth of about 89%. So that has completely changed the sentiment among the PSU banks. And then a good result from Axis Bank also changed the sentiment in private sector banks. And the Bank Nifty has shot up nearly 2000 points in last 1 week. So far, the corporate results have been very good, bearing just only one or two stocks like Asian Paints and Wipro. So, we have actually outperformed the global markets last week, and that's mainly because of the corporate results. On Friday, US markets shot up, and there was a news that some of the Fed governors are worried about the huge rate hikes, and now the people are thinking, the rate hike will be slowing down in the coming months. And Nifty was up about 300 points last week, and Bank Nifty was up 2000 points. Remember, the September month expiry, the Nifty was around 16,800, and right now SGX Nifty indicating about 17,800. So that is a decent rally of 1000 points. So when the markets are in so much trouble, the world markets and Europe, US, they are all in big trouble. But 1000-point rally in Nifty is considered to be really very good. And you may also remember I told you in the beginning of this month, two things. Number one, October is usually a bullish month, and usually markets, top out around Diwali. And you may remember last year also, Nifty hit all-time high 18,600 in the month of October only, and after that only started falling. That's one thing. Second thing, in the beginning of this month, in the October series, FIIs were holding record amount of short positions. As and when FIIs have record amount of short positions, and markets uniformly rallied in the next few weeks. And that is what exactly happened this time also. So, there's a huge momentum in banking stocks, and we have to see whether that continues into the next week. But over the weekend, Reliance came out with results. I think the results are not really very good, and I think Reliance may come under some selling pressure. But however, nothing was indicated in the global GDR. But global GDR, the volumes are very little. And ICICI Bank and Kotak Bank also came out with results. The results are good if you look at individually, but compared to the results by Canara Bank or Axis Bank or IndusInd Bank, so this result is not really very good. The profit growth was shown about 25-26%, and that is really not an excellent number because these two stocks have run up so much in the last 1 week. I think now ICICI Bank is trading at all-time high. So Monday is a holiday, but there will be just only 1 hour of trading, Muhurat trading. And of course, SGX Nifty will be trading since morning. And, SGX Nifty indicating a huge gap up. But if there is any huge gap up, I don't think that that gap up will sustain, and it may come under some selling pressure, and mainly because of these three stocks, Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank and Reliance Industries. So, now we are caught between, so far we have been caught between bad global cues and good local cues, but Monday's trade may be just opposite, maybe caught between good global cues and not so good results from these three stocks. So anyway, but even if there is a selling pressure, once the global cues are good, so that will be bought into. So my gut feeling is that, next week markets will be trading between 17,500 and 17,900. But we have only Monday is a holiday, but Muhurat trading 1 hour, if you leave it, you have only 2 more trading sessions for this week. And there are no important corporate results also. And there is no more important global news also. So everything will start from next month. I think November beginning is going to be very exciting, because I think November 2nd, there is a Fed meeting. And then, first week of Friday, US jobs data. So again, all those things. So overall, this expiry has been a very good expiry. So if everything goes well, we can expect Nifty to expire somewhere around 17,700 or 17,800. So that itself is very, very good. But one thing I found, maybe because of 2 holidays, the option premiums are too low. Even the VIX has come down below 18. The US VIX is still 30, but we are almost half of the VIX of US. So the VIX has been crashing. I'll just give you one simple example. How bad is the option premium because of this falling VIX? About 1 week to 10 days before, I sold 21,000 call option. 21,000 call option expiring in December 23. And I sold it for 455 rupees. And after that, Nifty has actually shot up more than 500 points. And Nifty shot up more than 500 points, then what should happen to call option? Call premium should go up. But the call premium has come down from 455 rupees to 400 rupees. And usually the VIX is calculated based on only 1 month option premium. So the whatever VIX says, okay, it's valid for about 1 month only. But even in the long dated options, the IVs are crashing like anything, and option premiums are falling like anything. So I sold put option as well as call option, and put options are crashing like anything. Call options are also not shooting up. The call options are also coming down. So this is the effect of falling VIX and falling IV. So anyway, tomorrow the option writers may be slightly in trouble, because on Friday I told you people have taken 17,500 short straddle, and their upper break-even will be 17,800. And also there was a huge addition of open interest at 17,700. So for the last many months, these option writers have always been going wrong. So however, Diwali, so I wish all my followers a happy Diwali. And like yesterday, my friend asked me, sir, if you want to thank one person on this Diwali, whom you will be thanking? So who else? I'll be thanking Gautam Adani. So you all remember last year I bought Benz S-Class just by trading in Adani stocks. And just now I checked my back office. This year my performance was not good, and therefore I was, I've never checked my back office. And the ostrich, this is called ostrich behavior. When the ostrich sees the enemy, it puts the head into the sand so that it cannot see the enemy, so feels safe. So sometimes, if I'm not in good profit, I don't look at the back office. But today I went to see my back office, and surprisingly, I have made 1 crore from Adani stocks trading alone. And that is in the last 6 months. And in fact, I reduced my volume so much. So October end, it's about 6-7 months only, and 1 crore. Still we have 5 more months. So just now I was checking my YouTube channel, YouTube. So Rolls-Royce is planning to introduce a new electric car called Rolls-Royce Spectre. So that seems to be a very, very good car. So who knows, maybe Adani will be sponsoring that car to me in another 2 years. I think that will be releasing in the year 2024. So maybe another day I will just show you my back office data, because now I don't have the facility to show my computer. So this shows that the learning point from here is that people are comfortable trading in low beta stocks, but actually if you are a trader, you should look for high beta stocks, and trading in high beta stocks will be more rewarding than trading in low beta stock, because when the low beta turns into high beta, that's where you get into trouble. But high beta stock will continue to be high beta, or it can turn into low beta, so where you get a lot of benefits. So anyway, I will be coming out with a special video on this. So right now, time to celebrate Diwali. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.